For the fatigue life experiment, we're going to have a specimen that is placed here within two collets. We will put it inside the two spindles, and we'll use these bolts to tighten the collets down. We'll do that by hand. Okay, and once it's hand tight, we will use these wrenches to make sure that they are all the way tight. How tight am I aiming for?
Yeah, I think you're good.
Okay. I'll do just a little bit more for good measure. Okay. So now we have our collet and specimen in the two spindles. We will place that onto the machine, taking care to add the set screw that is in one of the bolts and being able to attach it to the motor over here. So okay.
Make sure this guy sets down. There you go.
Okay. So now that's in, and we will use the Allen wrench right here to tighten the set screw. I don't know if you want to show that.
Yeah, I'm gonna show this. All right.
Okay. So we'll go in here. We'll tighten down the set screw. I don't know how tight that's supposed to be.
Double check. You're good.
Awesome. Then we will make sure that we'll make sure before, but that the notches right here on the spindles are facing up so that we can add the little weight hooks to it. And underneath the table, we have the weights attached.
You're gonna have to attach the weights.
Okay, so we have this thing hanging from the two notches, and then we will add the full amount of weights for this test. So we'll have the pin on, and then we'll add all of these additional weights, which are 2.5 pounds each. Okay, and we're ready to conduct the test. Oh, not yet. We have these two pins. When this breaks, we don't want the spindle moving out forward, so we have these two safety pins that secure the spindle in place. And now we're ready to start the test. We'll
Plug it
put
in.
this little safety barrier down.
And
We'll plug it in on the
plug
back.
it in. Okay. And then if
And
you
once
want to
it's powered
start
on,
you can turn the
To 60.
slowly to 60.
slowly to 60, avoiding 30 because that is the resonant frequency of the device. Okay.
There you go.
And then we have a counter going that counts the number of cycles. And then right here we can see the specimen spinning. There, as you can see, the machine shuts off automatically once the specimen breaks. Over here you can see the total amount of revolutions or loading cycles.
Yeah.
So there we have 9,066. Then we're going to unplug the machine. And we can safely take off the weights. we'll go ahead and unload the machine, or the specimen from the machine.
Number?
9,000.
Okay. So here what we'll do is how do we remove the bolts? Okay, so that one has a additional.
Yeah, that one was very tightened up.
At least it's not gonna slip.
Here, hold this for you. Nope.
I got you. Go ahead and put the. Or that works too. Are you tightening it?
Yeah, I think that's.
No, yeah, it was.
Okay. Okay, so now that the bolts are out, you should be able to tap out the spindle, sorry, the collet and specimen from the spindle with some love taps.
Let's do this one first, just for
Maybe a little more than a love tap.
do this one for video purposes. Of what it's
There we
supposed
go.
to look like.
Okay.
So then we get the specimen out with the collet, and then we'll use a file to tap it out. And we're left with the specimen.
All right. Can I see the broken part? Let's see if they can. Here it is. I gotta focus on it. Can you tap right there in the center? Nah, it doesn't focus all that well. Tap again.
You see?
There we go. Got it. All right, I'm gonna end it there.